Hi, I'm Dr. Suresh from Public Health Foundation of India. COVID 19 is everywhere, and masks have become a personal protection essential for COVID 19 containment. We at PHFI HI Rapid Lab have designed and developed a reusable, low cost half face mask respirator that has several unique features. The face mask's nose area is broadened to suit Indian features. The cheek area of the mask is brought inward to make the mask rest on the cheek, thereby providing a natural contoured seal. The front of the mask is curved outwards to provide more space between the face and the filter. The filter cap also has several unique features. Airflow pattern does influence the risk of infection from airborne particles. Hence, we have designed a face mask respirator that has air intake vents from the sides. The vents are also directed backwards. Inside the cap, a vent matrix that channels air has been created. In combination, these features enable air to bend several times before reaching the filter. The cap also has a raised feature to hold the filter material firmly in place by complementing with a similar feature on the face mask. A twin locking mechanism has been designed to provide a firm fit between the filter cap and face mask. Overall, the mask and filter box have large and smooth external surfaces for easy cleaning and reusing. Two layers of HEPA or high efficiency particulate air filter grade H13 is used here in our mask. This element is replaceable. We did several tests to evaluate our reusable low cost half face mask respirator. The first test is called fit test. As you can see here, the person is wearing the reusable half face mask respirator. The person is part of our research team who is associated with developing the mask. A hood was placed on the person's head and salt solution was sprayed. As you can see from the images, the test was performed for 7 exercises: breathing normally, breathing deeply, head side to side, head up and down, talking, bending over waist, and finally breathing normally again. The test results were successful and the person wearing the mask was not able to taste any saltiness during any of the exercises. The second test we did was for filter efficiency. The grade H13 filter was compared with the filtration efficiency of an existing N95 mask, and the H13 filter performed better. Any other filter material can also be used based on availability and functional requirements. We tested the filtration efficiency of several commonly available material that people use to cover their faces instead of masks. The results will be made available as a research paper very soon. The third test we did was a qualitative test for breathing resistance. The test subject wore the mask and walked on a treadmill for 5 minutes at the rate of 5 km per hour. She was able to breathe well with no discomfort. Reusing our mask is also simple. The mask will be made of thermoplastic like polycarbonate or nylon 66, meaning it can be sterilized with boiling water or washed thoroughly with soap or any disinfectant. The filter is disposable. We went through several design iterations and test trials. In this slide, we present the design changes that we went through. Every time we changed the design, we 3D printed a prototype and we thoroughly tested. Now we are confident that our unique design with very good and comfortable facial fit, unique vent direction, unique airflow pattern, certified filter material that is firmly held in place by our unique design and locking mechanism will help save people from future respiratory infections. However, please note that mask is actually the third line of defense. The first is always social distancing. The second is maintaining excellent personal hygiene, and the third line of defense is wearing a good mask that can protect you. The video is brought to you by Health Informatics Rapid Design Lab at PHFI Indian Institute of Public Health, Hyderabad.